Introducing the REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool, a revolutionary device designed to enhance precision and efficiency for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool seamlessly integrates with saws, offering real-time measurement and eliminating the need for traditional tape measures. What sets it apart? The M1 Caliber attaches directly to your saw, whether it's a miter, chop, or other stationary saw types. Once connected, it measures materials as they pass through the cutting blade, ensuring accuracy to a fraction of an inch. Its digital display shows exact measurements, enabling you to make adjustments instantly and achieve perfect cuts every time. Gone are the days of manual measuring and marking. Simply slide the material through, and the M1 does the work for you. It's perfect for wood, pipes, and other linear materials, streamlining your workflow and reducing errors. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly, designed to be operational straight out of the box. Constructed with durable materials, the M1 Caliber is built to withstand the rigors of professional environments. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry from job to job without compromising on durability. The tool includes adjustable measurement settings, allowing for imperial and metric readings, a backlit display for low-light environments, and compatibility with a wide range of saws. It also has long battery life, ensuring uninterrupted usage throughout your projects. This tool saves time, increases productivity, and guarantees precise results. Whether you're a carpenter, contractor, or hobbyist, the REEKON M1 Caliber measuring tool is an investment that pays for itself with every project. Experience the future of measuring. Upgrade your toolbox today with the REEKON M1 Caliber. The Metabo HPD Rebar Bender and Cutter is a powerful, dual-purpose tool designed for construction professionals who demand precision and efficiency. This robust machine simplifies bending and cutting rebar, making it ideal for job sites and workshops. Equipped with a heavy-duty 8-amp motor, it delivers consistent power for bending rebar up to 5/8 inch thick, with an impressive bending angle range of 0 to 180 degrees. The tool ensures smooth, accurate cuts without damaging the material, thanks to its precision-engineered cutting blades. Built with portability in mind, the Metabo HPD features a compact and durable design, weighing around 42 pounds, allowing for easy transport. It includes a user-friendly control panel with clearly marked settings for quick adjustments. Safety is a priority, with features like a built-in circuit breaker and overload protection. Whether you're reinforcing concrete or working on infrastructure projects, the Metabo HPD Rebar Bender and Cutter enhances productivity and delivers professional results. Experience unmatched reliability and efficiency with this versatile tool, backed by Metabo HPD's legacy of quality craftsmanship. The RIDGID K4310 FXB drum machine is a game-changer for professional plumbers and drain cleaners. Powered by the innovative FXB battery system, this cordless machine delivers unmatched portability and performance. It's designed to clear 1.5 to 4-inch pipes with ease, tackling tough clogs up to 125 feet away. With its brushless motor, the K4310 ensures consistent power and extended runtime, while the integrated auto-feed system allows for hands-free cable operation, improving efficiency and safety. The lightweight, compact drum design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Built for convenience, it features a quick-change drum, tool-free maintenance, and an ergonomic handle for comfortable transport. Whether on residential or commercial jobs, the RIDGID K4310 FXB drum machine delivers the cordless freedom and powerful performance you need. The Oregon CS1500 Chainsaw is a game-changer in the world of electric chainsaws. Combining power, convenience, and innovative features, it's perfect for homeowners and professionals alike. This chainsaw is equipped with a 15-amp motor, delivering consistent, high-performance cutting power. Unlike gas chainsaws, the CS1500 is electric-powered, which means no fumes, less noise, and minimal maintenance. One standout feature is the self-sharpening system, known as Power Sharp. With just a pull of the red lever, the chain sharpens itself in seconds, ensuring your cuts remain clean and precise without the hassle of manual sharpening. With an impressive 18-inch guide bar, The CS1500 is ideal for tackling medium to large-size logs and branches. Its chain runs at a high speed, allowing for efficient cutting through even tough wood types. Safety is a priority with the CS1500. It includes a built-in chain brake for instant stopping, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the ergonomic design, featuring a comfortable handle and well-balanced weight distribution, ensures user comfort during prolonged tasks. Another advantage is the tool-less chain tensioning system, which allows for quick adjustments without any additional tools. Combined with the automatic oiling system, which keeps the chain lubricated for optimal performance, this chainsaw is a breeze to maintain. Weighing just 12.6 pounds, the Oregon CS1500 offers both power and portability. It's perfect for yard maintenance, firewood cutting, and storm cleanup. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner, the Oregon CS1500 provides reliable performance with modern electric convenience. Experience the power of precision today. The SKILSAW SPT55-11 is a game-changer in circular saw innovation, designed to deliver unmatched precision and power for the toughest jobs. Built with the legendary SKILSAW worm drive system, the SPT55-11 features a robust 15-amp motor, delivering 5,300 RPM for smooth and consistent cuts. Its magnesium construction reduces weight while ensuring durability, making it ideal for extended use without fatigue. One of its standout features is the dual-field motor technology, which keeps the motor cool even under heavy loads, ensuring reliability and longevity. The SPT55-11 also boasts a 10.25-inch blade capable of cutting through 4x material in a single pass, eliminating the need for multiple cuts and boosting efficiency. Precision is key, and this saw doesn't disappoint. The saw includes a depth adjustment lever and bevel capabilities up to 51 degrees, with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for quick angle changes. Its ergonomic handle design reduces strain, providing maximum control and comfort. Safety is a top priority with the SKILSAW SPT55-11. Its integrated electric brake stops the blade quickly after use, while the saw's rugged build ensures stability on any job site. The SKILSAW SPT55-11 is the ultimate choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision, power, and reliability. Experience the difference with SKILSAW, where innovation meets performance. Looking for precision and power? The Milwaukee Nibbler is the ultimate tool for cutting sheet metal with ease and accuracy. Built with durability in mind, it effortlessly handles up to 16-gauge steel, aluminum, and other tough materials, making it ideal for industrial, automotive, and construction tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the innovative 360-degree swivel head allows you to cut in tight spaces and tricky angles. The variable speed trigger provides complete control, giving you clean, burr-free cuts every time. Powered by Milwaukee's signature M18 battery system, the Nibbler delivers consistent performance with up to 20 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, the tool-free punch and die replacement ensures minimal downtime. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Milwaukee Nibbler is your go-to for efficient, precise, and hassle-free cutting. Step up your metalworking game with Milwaukee. Nothing but heavy duty. The Tolson Hand Riveter is a high-quality, durable tool designed for effortless riveting in various materials like metal and plastic. With its sturdy steel construction, this tool ensures long-lasting performance. It features an ergonomic, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use, making it perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The riveter is equipped with multiple interchangeable nozzles, compatible with different rivet sizes, offering versatility for a wide range of applications. Its spring-loaded handle provides a smooth and efficient operation, while the lightweight design allows for excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. Ideal for projects like fastening gutters, sheet metal, or automotive repairs, the Tolson Hand Riveter guarantees precision and durability. Backed by Tolson's commitment to quality, this tool is a must-have for reliable and efficient riveting. The Rothenberger Plastic Pipe Cutter is a professional-grade tool designed for precise and efficient cutting of plastic pipes, including PVC, PX, PP, and PE materials. Engineered with durability and ease of use in mind, this cutter features a high-quality stainless steel blade, ensuring clean and burr-free cuts every time. Its ergonomic design incorporates a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This tool is ideal for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts thanks to its lightweight construction and compact size. It is perfect for tight spaces where larger tools might struggle to maneuver. The ratcheting mechanism provides smooth operation, requiring minimal effort to cut through pipes up to 42 millimeters in diameter. For added safety, the cutter includes a locking mechanism to secure the blade when not in use. Whether you're installing water supply lines, repairing irrigation systems, or working on plumbing projects, the Rothenberger plastic pipe cutter offers reliability and precision. With its robust construction, this cutter is built to withstand the rigors of regular use, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Choose Rothenberger for a trusted, high-performance solution that ensures fast, efficient, and professional results every time.